Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week 3 lecture video. So, I've gotten many emails this week about where to find the instructions for the Future of Everything essay. So, I'm beginning this week's lecture video right here in the modules tab. The modules is where you will find the week by week schedule and activities. So obviously on the screen here we have the week 2 activities, where the 2 discussion boards 2 and 3 about what is chat and why we're obsessed. Now we're into week 3, and I want to take a little bit of time to chat about the art of summarizing. Very important component in working with the words of others, and some people have had some pretty good success in summarizing and working with the article here, the author's intention. So I'd like to point out just some of the traps that people fall into. I think I have some markings in this PDF about what to watch or what to read and pay close attention to. Also, in the example here of the Zinchenko article, a hasty abandoning of the summary. Oftentimes, one of the traps is a writer will make an attempt to summarize, but abandon it and go right to the response. Always a delicate balance between summary and response. Then the authors here offer up the closest cliche syndrome, which is somewhat represents the original author's intentions, but a little bit too much bias comes into, or your own opinion starts working its way into that particular summary. So it's the closest cliche, and most everybody picked up the other trap is the list summary. Somebody wrote it well on the discussion boards, and then is one type of summary that we do get often. So summarizing authors' words and working with the words of others is an important and integral part, especially in this course, where we'll be doing a lot of research and writing. So that being said, I'm going to move away here, and once again, the reason for beginning with the art of summarizing is the Future of Everything essay. So one important factor here, I've added the no AI image here, which means that I want to see how you as a writer write. The purpose of this is how well you work with the words of others. I did comment extensively on some students' discussion board posts about summarizing. Sometimes we kind of pass by that. So it's what I call, and I consider, a pretty straightforward assignment. I know I might say that often over the course of the semester, but you have the 2 articles that you've already worked in, you've read, you've written a bit of a summary and a response. So it's taking this and turning it into a 1,000-word essay, and I think it's important that you read my bullet points here. You begin with the summary of the articles. How do you want to do that is entirely up to you. You can summarize one and then the other. I'm not looking for a long-winded introduction. I don't need one. It's not required, and I don't want to read one. I want you to get right to the summary. And after the summary, to respond to the articles. Do you agree, disagree, and why? I think this is important. I need to see the rhetorical shift to where you agree or disagree. Then you're thinking, okay? How do you think education will evolve? It's important. Refer to the AI policy in the syllabus. I think it's important that you read that policy to see how AI might be integrated into this particular course. You can use reading notes, your discussion board posts, support your critical thinking with evidence from the information provided in the article. So this is really a summary response, tell me what you think type of an essay assignment. Outside sources are not required, so do not include those in your essay. I'm not looking for it. I don't want you to distract from the summary and response nature of this particular assignment. All right. So that's exactly what this particular essay is. Hopefully, everybody's become familiar with the Future of Everything essay. As I mentioned, probably in the screencast video, I'll come up with a catchy title one of these days. But let's get to homepage real quick and the week schedule. Alrighty. Just a word, we're going to be starting up with the textbook in week 4, so you want to make sure you have that. And this is due Sunday, end of day. Okay? So if you have any questions or issues, send me an email. Good luck.